Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to get rid of eye bag. Okay, eye bag are those swollen thing you have under your eye here that can be caused by stress and by lack of sleep, and so many factors can actually make you have the eye bag. Okay, so this home remedy that I'm going to be showing you is going to reduce all of those eye bag, because when you're having it, your eye is gonna be looking bruised as if they beat you and stuff, you know what I mean. Okay, so use this and it's gonna go off. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, let's dive into the video. Get rid of puffy eye and eye bag, those tiring eye. You're gonna be needing cucumber. Now cucumber contains a lot of water, and the juice in cucumber helps to calm down the puffiness of the eye. Okay, and it also helps to reduce the darkness. So I have a little cucumber here. Anyways, I actually don't even need much, so we're gonna be needing the cucumber juice. All right, so let me create it so I can get the juice. All right guys, I wanted to blend it, but I just changed my mind. Now let me just create it so I could just get the juice, because we obviously need the juice in this. Okay, and now I like to transfer this into a bowl, sieve out the juice, and here we have the juice. Okay, and then you're going to also be needing potato. Now potato is a great remedy to lighten up the skin, and the coolness in potato and the starch helps to calm down the puffiness and the eye bag. Then we're gonna be peeling the potato, and I'm also gonna be grating the potato. Alright, so here is the potato juice, and I'm gonna be turning it into the cucumber juice. Then we are going to be making use of green tea. Now using green tea for the eye would help so much in reducing the puffiness, the darkness, and the wrinkles around the eye. It would help to refresh the eye and also help you glow. I'm gonna be needing warm water, and going to be making sure that this actually induces into the warm water. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that aside. We're also gonna be needing egg. Now this is a great remedy that tightens up the skin, and it also helps to remove the large and open pores by shrinking it, and it also helps to calm down the redness of the skin. Egg yolk from the egg whites. So I'm gonna be taking in all of the egg yolk into this. Oh, it's there. Okay, now let's put in the. Now we have to keep this to cool, guys, because I actually use warm water so it can induce very fast. We're gonna be putting in the green tea, and now we're gonna stir. This water is what we'll be needing to calm the puffiness of the eye. So what you do is that you have to go refrigerate this water, let it be very, very cool. Okay, let it be. All right, so this is there water that would help you to calm the puffiness, and you're gonna use it, you're gonna apply it with the help of a cotton wool. Okay, so what you do is to grab this cotton wool and then you apply it onto your eye. Make sure that this is very, very cooling, okay, before you could apply. Okay, it's actually because I'm using my one hand. Alright, so you apply it this way. And then you take another cotton wool or treatment and cover your eye with it. Okay, this one is quite simple. Make sure that this is very, very cooling. Okay, keep it there, spread it very well, and let it sit there for some while. If I let it sit there till this actually dries into your eye, okay, like dries here, dry very, very much. Now after that is done, you would see a lot of progress. And if you're having darkness around that side, this is actually going to help too. And for this, you can actually just turn it into your an airtight container and refrigerate it. Okay, already it's actually like tightening my skin right now. So what it's going to do is going to hold your skin there. So what you do is that you just go look for somewhere, stay like this, close your eyes, let it do the job. Okay, because you are going to be surprised. Only 3 days applying this, all the puffiness would be gone. Trust me on this treatment really works. So go try it. It's actually natural. You have nothing to lose anyways. So after that, then you can remove it. The next day you do it again, and you're gonna be seeing a huge result. So that's it, guys. Using this would help you to get rid of eye bag. It would remove darkness around the eyes, which is eye circle. Okay, so it's gonna calm it down and it's gonna lighten your eye area. Okay, because the eye area is very soft and tender, so you should use something as this to get rid of it. So that's it. If you did love the video, please don't forget to share the video and thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video, and stay beautiful. Bye guys.